we need to stretch the hamstrings, as we've stretched just about everything else. So you can do figure 4 with the foot like so, and lean forward. For me though, I kind of feel this more in this leg right here. And even when I go all the way down, I still feel it more in this leg, which is cool if you're trying to stretch, you know, this area of your hip right here. But if you're trying to stretch your hamstring and you're doing this and you're feeling it more here, you may have to come up with an alternative stretch. So the alternative stretch for the hamstring, if you are, no, the figure 4 is not doing it for you, take it into a straddle. Kind of roll your feet, you know, turning at the hips, but rolling the legs through. And then take it to one side. And you should feel all hamstring as opposed to it being anywhere else. Demon variation. Some people like to go over. Some people like to take the arm and go like so and go over. If you feel it in your hamstring deeper and you know your body's allowing you to do it, go for it. I feel this in my shoulder that's reaching because, you know, it's doing that extreme reach over. So I'm going to feel that. And remember, like I said in the earlier, when I was doing the hip flexors, remember, don't start your other side with what you left off the first side because you worked to that extreme. So I'm going to start by just being right here for a second. And then I'm going to do the same thing I did on the other side, kind of pull this leg. And then I'm going to allow for variation. All right. And last for a hamstring stretch. If you can get yourself into a pancake, the flatter you get, the more you'll feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Take it slow and easy. Bring it down. And remember to breathe. Okay? And release. You do not have to do all of these stretches to the extreme. Like, you don't have to go all the way down for it to be effective, especially if you're feeling it. You know, if you're right here, if you're even here and here and you're feeling it, then it's effective. It's a good stretch, okay? All of these stretches will help you